Extinction E, and I have been out because my camera's been in the shop for 2 hours. I mean 2 weeks, I should say. And my sister's neighbor hit my car. Well, scratched it pretty much. He said he was backing up and just slightly scratched it. Not too bad. I cannot remember if these scratches have been here. So he might have scratched my rim as well. But I'm letting that slide, but I'm gonna have him fix the paint right here in any way possible. It doesn't matter if it's cheap or not. And that's all that happened.